Alright guys, we're back. Now this is part 2 of We Party Swap Meet. And we're gonna be doing some zombie tag, so alright. Oh no, it's Beef Boss! Or you guys can call him Hamburger, but I know you guys like to call him Hamburger, but I like to call him Beef Boss. Oh crap, crud. No, don't get me. Oh, what a total win for me. That minigame was easy. Easy as pie. Look at this. Zombie tag was so easy that I could like run away from zombies forever. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna do platinum. Alright. Okay, I need to get platinum. I totally need to get platinum. I don't care if Marco gets. Wait. Oh no. I totally honestly don't want Marco to win again. I mean, if he wins, then I don't care anyways. I mean, I like Marco though. So yeah. Alright. So, I need to get platinum. Oh, crud. Okay. Okay. Oh, Shutterpup. I'm good at this. I'm good at Shutterpup. We gotta take a photo of a dog. If you take a photo of a dog, he runs away. You'll see, guys. Ooh, wait. Mine. Okay, come on. Back here, dog. Got it. Okay. I'm gonna take more photos of the dog that kept on running away for some reason. Oh, dang it. I think I blew it. Fine. Dang it. I think I blew it again. Oh, I got it. That's fine. Alright. I think I only took 9 photos. Actually, how many okay, I got 1. Got 2. Got 3. Got 4. Got 5. I blew that up. I got 6. Okay, I won. No need to like count the puppies. So they got like the most points, so yeah. Alright. 3 and 2. My god. Alright. Okay. Oh no, I don't. Oh dang it, no. I don't want to use it. You know what? Whatever. I don't know why am I doing this, but still. I don't know why am I doing this, but whatever. Whatever. Okay. Red. Oh no. Oh my. Jeez. Right. I somehow need to get platinum. I don't want a hard minigame. Oh, okay, I guess. Oh, Chop Chops, yes. Chop Chops. I love this minigame. I can chop really fast. Okay, I got this. Yeah, I got this. First place. I'm so good at Chop Chops. And Marco came in last. Again. And Elisa and Ren tied. Again. Of course. My god. And Elisa just got second again, and Ren got third again. Alright. So, okay. At least I'm not letting Ren win. Even though I like Ren, but still. Alright. Oh my. What? How? How is there another red? There's like 2 reds on the question mark. Like, are you kidding me? Come on. I can't be losing in swap meet. Wait, I'm not winning. This is hard. It's like they're so freaking good. It's like so rigged. There's like 2 purples. I'm not gonna go for that. Actually. Alright, hammerheads. Alright. Give me that, Elisa. It's mine. No, mine! Elisa! Ren. Okay, this is my... No, mine. Mine! No, get it. Elisa! Luckily, I just got the golden. Fudge you. There, got it. There we go. There we go. Come on. Missed that more. Whatever, I got first. Okay. Okay. Alright. Pick... Yeah, I'm gonna pick this one. Alright. Alright. Alright, color. Multicolor, okay. Oh no, come on! Why do you gotta give me this lucky minigame? It's like Lucky Launch, but you have to like... Okay, I'm getting the right. If I get this wrong, then... 3 of us picking right, like... Oh, Ren! Just got last. Oof. Although I still like Ren, though. But... Left. No, left. Okay. Oh! I win! Okay, I got first. Even though I'm winning minigames, it kind of feels like Wii Party is rigged, apparently. Because it's like... I don't know for some reason. But... Alright, my turn. So, I get the color, of course. So I gotta get purple. Air. Alright. Oh my god, I mean, well, I'm gonna forget about the platinum. Oh, another wild color? What if Marco wins the whole game? That... Oh, trade me, huh? Alright, I'm gonna get that. Oh, Space Brawl? Easy minigame. Easy minigame to win. Alright. I got this. Oh, come on, get it. Come on, get it. Come on. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come on. Come on. I gotta win. I gotta freaking win. I gotta... Take this. Nope. Whatever, I win. Space Brawl is kind of hard in this game. But yeah. At least I won. Alright, now I get to trade me. Alright. Give me that. Thank you. Alright, so... Maybe you guys have platinum? You know what? Thank you. There's no way there's gonna be another... Okay. I was gonna say that there's no way that there's gonna be another trade me in one of these question mark me's. But yeah. Oh my god, really? Come on. Okay. I might rage here. I might rage. I need platinum, please. Oh, another trade me. I need to get that. I totally need to get that. Don't give me a hard minigame. Okay, smile snap. Okay. I gotta get, like, the most people to smile. Alright, I better not blew this up. Okay. I don't know if I got... No, wait. I think... Oh my god, I think I blew it. Oh my, we all tied? What? No! Dang it. I can't look. I can't look. Are you kidding me? I got second! I totally blew it. Great, now Marco's gonna frickin' trade. Okay, I guess I thought he was gonna trade, oh, no, I don't wanna, dang it. I thought he was gonna trade my platinum for some reason. But apparently he traded with Lisa. I thought I was gonna be so mad at Marco if he actually, ooh, platinum, okay, I got this. I'm gonna get this in the bag. Okay, Maze Days, easy. I got this. Right. Come on. Right. I got this. There we go. Woo! Easy minigame to win in. I like Maze Days. It's so fun that it's so easy for me. Ever since when I was little, I played this minigame. It's like really hard for me. Like all of like the controllers got mixed up. But then now I finally learned how to win Maze Days. So yeah. Alright. There we go. Got the win. I got the win. There we go. So, yeah. Right. Alright. Alright guys, this will be part 2. So yeah, stay tuned for part 3.